another type of operators, that is compound operators. What exactly the operation takes place here? Let's explain here. So the compound itself, the word tells that we are going to use simplifying the larger expression into smaller one, and that is the compound one. So let me put here for example x equal to 5, okay, and x equal to x plus 5. This is the expression, okay. So what will happen here, this will be 5, so x equals to 5 plus 5 and result is 10, right? So this is a normal expression. So how exactly the compound will be? It is the same. Here it will be x plus equals to 5. We are taking out and we are using this plus and this assigning operator together like this. This is called compound assignment, okay. This is compound assignment. So in this compound assignment, what are all operators will be involved? Anything you saw in the arithmetic operators, all this can be used here, okay. Let me go to the Python PyCharm platform and I'll show you. Yeah, this is now you see the screen. You see here x equal to 5, x equal to x plus 5, and I'm printing that x value and using the same value in assigning into the y variable, y equal to plus y plus 5, and that is a, see, this is a compound. What you see here, let me put it here, compound operators, compound assignment operator. So I'm going to use copy here, then put it here. No, that this is a simple expression. This is simple assignment operator. See, right now x equal to 5, what you show you will get the answer like this. Let me run the program. You see the answer here below, x equal to 10, that is x 5 plus 5 equal to 10, and that is a 10. Y equals to 10 as well. You see the result here. I'm not using the same expression what x equal to x plus 5. I'm just writing y after that plus equals to then 5. That's it. There is no y equal to y plus 5. There is no expression. So I'm using just plus equals to. This is the compound. Let me use another. What you see here, this is the addition right now. What I'm showing you right now here is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, and remainder. All these things can be used in this compound assigning operator. Let me show you one by one. Let me change minus and here change minus, okay. Let me run the program. You see here 5 minus 5 0, and 5 minus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus 5, once again it's a 0. So this is a simple one. Let me go to the multiplication, okay. Multiplication, okay, fine. So let me run the program. You see 5 into 5, it's a 25. It is a nothing but it's a power of 2. That's it, okay. And even you see 5, y equals to star equal to 5, it gives the value of 24. Y equal to 25. Here is the answer below. You just concentrate at the output area below so that you will be concentrating. If you feel it's a little bit fast, you just pause the video and rewind it and just have a watch once again. I'm going to change the operator here once again. I'm going to use the division. I'm going to use the division and let me run the program. You see here, any two numbers which are integer, which are going to division takes place, that the result will be always in the float. I'll tell you what is float and all those things. You see here x equal to x divided by 5, y is y divided by equal to 5. So you see 1.0 1.0 something like that. So this is the answer. Let me use floor division. Okay, let me use the floor division. Answer will be should be same, because I already told how exactly the floor division works. This is how the answer, you see the floor division from the given from the whatever you get the answer from that, the first number before the dot, before the decimal point, whatever it comes, that is the integer part, that will be the picked by the program. So that is the logic of the floor division. So let me go to the reminder now. Let me go to the reminder. What if I am showing you, because all these arithmetic operations can be used in a simplification manner using the compounding assignment methodology. So let me explain here. You see the 0 0 answer. So because remainder of those things will be 0, let me change suddenly quickly what exactly the answer will be. You just pause it and predict what exactly the answer will be. Just have a look on that. You see the 3, you try put on the paper, is the same. 5 and the 8, which is divided by 5, 5 ones are 5. So what will happen here is, I'll show you on the paper. I'll show you on the paper here. Okay, 8 and 5, 1 are 5, 3. So this is the remainder, this is the answer, this is the percentage symbol, and that can be written in terms of x equals to 8 and x equals to x divided by remainder of 5. Okay, and this equals to, this also can be written as, this also written as percentage equals to 5. This is also possible. So that's what I shown you on the programming window. So that's it all about compound assignment operators. Okay, let's get into the next operator.